Welcome back. Over 700 tenant verification forms are submitted at the police outpost in Zuari Nagar. This act followed soon after the police raided the houses of migrants staying illegally in Zuari Nagar. They had arrested hundreds of migrant labor under preventive measures, but not a single Goan house owner has been arrested for violating the law till date. Here is a report.
Police officials raided the houses of migrants in Zuari Nagar recently. More than 243 people were arrested for illegal stay in Goa. When police officials personally visited the houses and asked them to submit tenant verification form, none of the migrants took heed to it. But later, when the police official raided these houses on 30th November, the migrants immediately rushed with the forms at police outpost in Zuari Nagar. Police constable at Zuari Nagar outpost R.R. Gaonkar informed that verification of migrants was still not complete.
पयली आमी तेका पर्सनल वचून सांगले कोण येनासले चडशे थोडे येताले पूण जेन्ना रेड मारली येले तेन्ना सगळे लायनी लागपा लागले हांगा दिसाक 200 फॉर्मां जावपा लागली आमची पयली कोण येत नासले ते भरपाक यो म्हणल्यार सुद्दां आमी घरान वचून जाल्यार बी चडशे करना पूण DYSP साहेबान आमचे PI बी सगळ्यांनी मेळून रातचे येले धरून अरेस्ट केले तेन्ना बी मागीर सगळे आतां सगळे आपूण येवन पर्सनल जावन येवन दितात.
PS Mariam Naidu, a house owner, told that they had completed all the legal formalities and have submitted tenant forms.
आणि आता सध्या कोण चेंज झालं म्हणून त्यांचे फॉर्मॅलिटी अनुसार त्यांना नवे आता फिलअप करून आमच्या ताण्यावर दिवचे पडले दिवले आम्ही अटेंड सबमिट केलं.
इतलं म्हणजे केन्नाच्या नाही आता लेट देता का पण तुम्ही
अप टू डेट आमचे स्टाफांनी आमकां बरें एडवायस दिला अशें आमकां इंट्रोडक्शन दिला अमके टायमा भितर तुमी सबमिट केल्यार चडशे चड लिगलायज जाता म्हणून ते प्रमाणे आमी एज पर लिगलिटी एमएन हाडून आमच्या डिपार्टमेंट ताण्याचे आमी सबमिट केला.
The circular issued by District Collector to maintain records of migrants staying in rented houses were neglected by the Goan house owners all these days. But police have become alert after Mumbai's terror attack. The only sad part is that uneducated migrants were immediately arrested, but Goan house owners are still left scot-free for violating the same law. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
10 illegal huts in Salvador de Mundo were removed by village panchayat on Sunday after receiving complaints that migrant labor have come to stay in their village.
According to locals, 10 huts were built by migrants on Saturday evening on a hill slope. Panchayat says that they had not given any permission to the hutmans. The action was initiated in the presence of police and forest officials. More than 20 migrants were staying in the huts.
या जाग्यार बेकायदेशीर झोपड्यो बांधलेल्यो आसा. लोकांनी आमकां कळयले पंचायतीत काय तेंच्यांनी कळयल्लें ना. हांगा पुलिसांक हाडलेले आसा आनी आतां ते झोपड्यो आमी तेंकां काडपाक लायल्या.
These migrants are working at construction sites in Porvorim and the adjoining areas. Most migrants are illiterate and thus do not know the law of the land.
कब बनाया?
कल ये टाइम में लाया था.
और पंचायत को किसी को कुछ नहीं बताया?
नहीं, हमको कुछ मालूम नहीं करके हम लोग.
Migrants cooperated with the local authorities. They removed their huts and left without any resistance. Goa need these migrant workers for all kinds of odd jobs, which Goans have stopped doing. But they have no place to live. A reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
It is not that all Pakistanis or Bangladeshis staying in India are terrorists, but the people suspect everybody. In the bargain, the innocents go back. Here is one Bangladeshi in Goa who has urged the government to deport him back to his country.
Ali Khan is a 25-year-old Bangladeshi. Being a flood victim, he came to India in 2001. Professionally a cook, Ali worked in Kolkata, Mumbai and then in Goa at BITS Pilani. When his friend brought a marriage proposal, he disclosed his identity. The proposal broke off.
तो मुझे डर सा लग रहा है, यहाँ पर हंगामा हो रहा है, बम ब्लास्ट वगैरह हो रहा है, तो मुझे डर लग रहा था. इसीलिए मैंने गवर्नमेंट को यही लेटर लिखा है कि मुझे या तो यहाँ पर रहने के लिए कोई सिटीजन कार्ड नहीं तो वहाँ पर मुझे भेज दे,
वापस बांग्लादेश भेज दे, ये अर्जी की है.
हाँ, या तो मुझे यहाँ पर रहने के लिए कोई सिटीजन कार्ड मुझे दिया जाए. अब अगर ऐसा कुछ करे तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Now with the terror attack in Mumbai and combing operation carried out in the state, Ali Khan wants to be deported back to Bangladesh.
आज आम्ही ताका बांगलादेशी नॅशनलाक फॉरेनर्स रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिसरा मुखार प्रोड्यूस करपाक धाडला. एलोंग विथ लेटर ताका डिपोर्ट करचो म्हूण. आनी आमी कॅन्टीन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचेर फॉरेन एक्टा प्रमाणे ताणें एक इलिगली बांगलादेशी नॅशनलाक धरलो विथआउट इंटिमेटिंग द पुलीस म्हणून ऑफेन्स एक बूक करतले.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.